And so you're done. Hey guys, this is the AFI DIY Lab and I'm Maddie, but you guys already knew that, didn't you? Because if you didn't, where have you been? Really? I'm so hurt, but it's okay. We're so happy to have you if you're new here. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make a super easy dry shampoo. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've already got my sodium bicarbonate already in the mixing bowl, and to it I'm adding the arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, and tapioca starch. So when making dry shampoo, if you have lighter color hair, so more blonde hair obviously, you need to use a white kaolin clay, but if you are a brunette and have darker hair, I recommend using slate kaolin clay just to help with any of that ashiness so you won't have that little gray white residue left over. So now on to my very favorite part of this whole entire DIY project is fragrance. You can pick out just about any skin-safe fragrance oil for this project, but I chose to go with something a little fresh and sweet and fun, lemonade. All right, so I'm gonna add this in bit by bit and just whisk with the dry ingredients just to make sure everything is nice and well incorporated. For a little bit, I'm gonna stir. And just like that, boom, you're done. See how easy that was? I'm just gonna carefully package this up now, and then we're done. So I'm just gonna hold it over a container so it can catch any mess, and I'll come back to you guys when I'm done. All right, I finally got it into our packaging container. It took me a little bit, but without further ado, here we go. And so to use this dry shampoo, you simply just sprinkle some onto the roots of your hair on days when you feel a little more greasy than normal and just rub it in. Use a fine tooth comb to brush out the excess and you'll be feeling fresh in no time. This DIY was super inexpensive and it only cost us about $1 to make. A tube of this stuff can be sold around $2 and retail for about $4 to $5. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And if you want more content just like this, join our notification squad. Just hit that subscribe button and the bell icon and you'll be notified every single time that we post a new video. Don't forget to leave us a like and comment down below what you'd like to see us make next. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye!